Welcome to NestJS Unleashed, an intermediate-level course about learning NestJS in practice. Here, you learn how to harness the potential of Nest in order to create elegant architectural solutions. As you may know, NestJS is a powerful backend framework for Node.js focused on architecture. But even so, simply adopting it does not mean that all your problems are instantly solved. You still have to think about how to effectively leverage its features in order to achieve an outstanding code architecture. And of course, that doesn't happen overnight. Wouldn't it be nice to unleash the potential of this powerful tool? Well, in this course, we'll learn how to achieve exactly that. Its main advantages are the following. First, practical nature. Everything we'll learn will be for a single purpose, to develop a somewhat real-world REST API, in this case an online shop. The course is completely practical, and any theory is explored with the sole purpose of finding practical application. After that, integration. The core module explores the more fundamental aspects of REST API development, but more specialized modules focus on specific aspects, and all the lessons will be integrated into a single cohesive project. And lastly, scalable architecture. Everything we'll implement will then be improved into elegant, robust, and maintainable solutions. Improvements and refactors will be constant. So in short, this course is designed for backend developers that want to learn Nest whilst developing a highly scalable and maintainable codebase. If this sounds interesting to you, I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.